What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the top 5 most favorite apps for Android. But before we get into that, make sure you drop that like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified of any future uploads. But without out of the way, let's get into this video. So starting up at number 1, we have Maid, which is arguably the most powerful cleaning application I've ever used in Android. Granted, you have root permissions and maybe the Pro feature. So the application comes with a few features. We're talking storage analyzer, duplicate photos just in case you have duplicate photos, app cleaner, system cleaner, and what makes this app stand on top is it does not only scan your SD card, it also scans your internal storage as well as your root directory, which let's just say a few cleaning applications don't even dare to do, because cleaning the wrong file might lead to a boot loop or software break. In short, it might kill your phone. So I really appreciate Maid, and I went as far as purchasing the Pro version, which you can also do I'll leave every app in the description. I usually like using storage analyzer as it shows me details of every space that is used in every corner, every file. It scans literally everything, even the no media folders. So yeah, that will be it for my first application. Okay, so as for my second, I'm using apps to add SD Pro. This application is really a lifesaver when you're using an SD card, as it easily links any application to an SD card. So as to speak, if you have GTA San Andreas installed and you have the files internal, you can easily move this to your SD card, which is a very great feature. Not only that, because you can also boost your SD card, test your SD card speed, script manager, create scripts for easy reboot into recovery, partition your SD card as well, fix lag, and a bunch of other features. I really use Hibernate apps a lot, as this helps me force stop WhatsApp as well as Telegram. Like the regular force stop in the settings does not actually get the job done, as the apps find themselves waking up again. But using Hibernate from apps to SD is a great feature, and I really recommend this application if you've just rooted your phone. We also have folder mount and screen recorder, just in case your phone does not have screen recording capabilities. I'm talking Android 4.4.0. we're talking one of those old Androids. But yeah, apps to SD is definitely my number 2 application after I root my device. So another advantage of having a rooted device is doing something as crazy as this. With root, you now have the power to uninstall any system application on your phone. I really do not recommend you delete the should keep options. So what you're looking at right now, guys, this is an app called System App Safe Remover. So this app is a great tool to remove any application installed on your phone, third party or even system application, which I really recommend when you have like some bloatware on your phone. I'm talking like some of those useless applications you don't even use. Yes, with the power of root, you can finally uninstall those. Just go to the system app section, and then it's going to load all of your system applications, and then go ahead and have fun uninstalling all of those. So my ROM currently has 101 system applications, which I am going to be uninstalling some of those later on. You also have user applications, those are third party. Move applications to SD card if you need space, or move them back to your phone for faster speeds. You also have recycle bin, just in case you have any apps that you have deleted by mistake. You can also restore them through their app feature. I don't have Pro edition, but I might make a review on this application as a whole. I really recommend you get System App Remover. It's gonna be in the description, and this will be one of those recommended applications as soon as you reach your phone. Another application I've grown to love is Migrate. I've recently moved from Titanium Backup because it has been giving me some very odd problems. So I moved to this other very neat, you can probably tell. This application is called Migrate. You can get it from the Google Play Store or from the link right in the description if you don't mind. So you can actually back up any application, and what makes this different from Titanium Backup is you actually don't have to boot your device after you flash your different ROM. You can actually flash the ROM as well as the apps that you have backed up. So you're gonna back up a simple application. I'm just gonna take to a simple tutorial. I haven't actually used this app that much, to be honest. I haven't actually backed up an application and restored it through TWRP, but this is the best backing up application I have seen in quite some time, apart from Titanium Backup. But well, that has not been working out for me. So you can just easily scroll down to every application that you have installed on your device, and then you just tap on it, or you can just click. You don't need the application, you just need to back up the data. If you think you can easily get the application from the Google Play Store and restore the data afterwards, so which is a great feature. A Titanium backup does not do this, unfortunately, but you can do this, and then you just have to click next. It's going to take you to a different page as well, where you can actually select if you want to back up your messages, your call logs, your contacts. And as for me, I would like to back up each and every of these details, because I want every ROM to fill and have all of my data in one place. So I really recommend Migrate. If you're one of those guys who's going to be tweaking and installing custom ROMs a lot like I do, I really suggest you go ahead and install Migrate. Coming in at last but not least, we have Kernel Auditor. So since you have decided to reach your device, I'm guessing you are going to need to know what kind of machine you are using, and Kernel Auditor is the tool for that. And you see installing custom ROMs and a bunch of other cool features. You have to be sure you know which phone you're using, which architecture you're using, which processor of course you're going to be using, so that you don't get any boot loops or install the wrong system applications. So this app is the best, and it has every detailed information about your phone. We're talking the processor, the vendor, features, and the RAM. Of course, everything that you need to know about your phone is within this application. I usually just skip ahead to the CPU section, where this is where you take full control of your CPU, your governor, and everything you need. So I'm currently using a custom kernel, so I have other built-in customization, but you can also go ahead, download a custom kernel for your respectful device. Well, I usually like to keep mine at where is this, on demand X, as this will allow my CPU to actually clock itself at higher refresh rates, at higher frequencies. As I open a game or just a simple messaging application, I need to get all the power I can. I just go ahead and toggle the fourth CPU. My phone is a quad core, of course. Yes, that's what you get when you use a potato phone. Using a quad core processor out here with 1.4 gigahertz, overclocked a little bit to 1.497 megahertz. So there is a little bit of customization there, but this is a must-have application if you're going to be installing custom kernels and if you just want to know more about your device. So that will be it for my top 5 applications that you must have as soon as you reach your device. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you need a part 2? I can try to make other videos just like this for your rooted devices. I am going to be uploading more videos. Unfortunately, if your phone is not rooted, none of these applications are going to be working for you, but I could gladly help you know more about root. I am going to be making a separate video on that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you drop that like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. We're trying to reach 5k subscribers, which is crazy. I'm trying to upload more videos. I'm trying to work on more content, and yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.